أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والله خلق كل دابة من ماء فمنهم من يمشي على بطنه ومنهم من يمشي على رجلين ومنهم من يمشي على أربع يخلق الله ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Noor Ayat number 45. So in this ayat, Allah tells us that every living thing has been created by Allah with water. And water is the main constituent, main ingredient in every living thing. Without water, no one is able to survive. So water is the source of creation for living things, and water is the source of maintenance of the living things. So this is the Allah's blessings on us, that we have been created by water, and water Allah has spread out so much in the form of oceans, sea, rivers, and streams, and so many places you can see water. It is blessings of Allah. So we read this ayat, Allah said, Wallahu, and Allah khalaqa, Allah created kulla, every daba, moving creature. So Allah, Wallahu khalaqa kulla daba, and Allah created every living thing. Mimma, from water. So Allah created every moving creature or every living thing from water. Faminhum, so some of them are those man yamshi, who walk ala batni. Ala batni mean some of them they walk on their bellies. So some of the living things they walk on their bellies, which have been created by Allah. And وَمِنْهُمْ man yamshi, and some of them man yamshi, that they yamshi mean that walk, ala rijlan, on two foot, so, or two legs. So, and some of them walk on two legs. وَمِنْهُمْ man yamshi ala rijlan, and from them that one is also who walks on the two legs, like we human being or birds. وَمِنْهُمْ, and from them man yamshi, someone is that one who moves ala arba, on four legs. وَمِنْهُمْ man yamshi ala arba, and some of them walk on four legs. يَخْلُقُ, Allah, yakhluqullahu, Allah creates ma yasha, what Allah wants. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, ala kulli shayn qadir, indeed Allah has power over everything. So mashallah, this is the blessings of Allah, that we have been created with water, and so much plenty of water available everywhere. This is more blessings of Allah for us, because we need water for our ablution, for purification, for bath, for washing clothes, for washing and cleaning of house, and for everywhere. Even in our body there is more than 60% water, and without water in our body, so nothing is possible, because all living things are composed of water. Water is the fundamental ingredient of our life existence, and chemical reactions which are occurring in our body because of water. So life in earth began with water, and life in earth it sustains, it maintains with water also. So water is the essential ingredient for chemical reactions in living cells. And human body consists of more than 60% water, and plants they have more than 80% water. MashaAllah. And fossil records and scientific studies show the evidence that the living things have been created by water also. MashaAllah. So if there is no water in the body, so the body will die. The human person, human being or living things will die if there is no water. So this is the blessings of Allah, that we have been given water with Allah's blessings. And if you look at the Surah Anbiya, ayat number 30, so in which Allah told that Allah said that Allah has created everything with water. MashaAllah. So this is the blessings of Allah. Without water, nothing is possible to alive. Either they are the animals who move on their bellies, like snakes, and the animals and the animals who move on their two legs, like a human being and birds. Similarly, the animals who move on four legs, like the cows, buffalo, and goat, and other animals also. So this is the blessings of Allah, that Allah, when Allah wants, Allah creates the thing. So this is Allah's blessings. Even you can see now the maintenance or the sustenance or continuation or reproduction of the animals or living things is because of water. You can see the sperm and egg, when they are released with water, and the sperm reach to the egg through the water. So this water is the source, that is the source of reproduction from one person to other also. So this is also source of reproduction is also water. Now also you can see this is Allah's blessings, that we have been given this special Allah's mashallah special gift in the form of water, so which is available so much mashallah for our use and for our need. MashaAllah, Allah has given us. This is Allah's blessings for us. And inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir. Indeed, Allah has power over everything. So this is the blessings of Allah, that Allah has created everything with different shape and with different sizes. And even human being, you can see the different type of shapes of human beings, and you can see the mental level is different for everyone. Even you can see the mood and the situation of the personal psychology of everyone is different. So this is the Allah's speciality to create the things, mashallah. So this is the biggest Allah's mashallah dignity to look the creation of Allah in the form of different things which are making beauty in this universe, mashallah. So we have to be thankful to Allah every time, so that we should get a good face at the day of judgment before Allah. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.